How to change streak emojis on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Snapchat streak emojis. Now to do so, first open up the Snapchat app. You'll get an interface like this. Now first what you want to do is, if you head into chats here, you'll see all the streaks here right beside the username. Now you can see my streak emoji here, a little fire icon. That's the streak emoji or the default streak emoji that you get. Now to change this, what you want to do is head back or head into your profile, and on the profile what you want to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and scroll all the way down below, and here you'll find the option customize emojis under privacy control. You can see here right here, tap on it, and if you scroll down you'll find the option snap streak. Tap on it and you'll be able to change your snap streak emoji from here. Now you can set it to anything you like from here. I'll just set it to this little heart here, and if I head back and head into chats again, now you can see that my snap streak emoji has been changed. So this way you can change streak emoji on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.